Hi there, hi everyone, it's me again, and this is binary options tutorial. And today I'm gonna share with you with my favorite strategy. It's just called rainbow strategy. I would like to know your opinion about it. So after watching the video, I'm waiting for your comments. Write me, is it good for you or not? Is it interesting for you? So actually, I'm waiting for your opinion. Also, you may share with me with your favorite indicator or strategy. So right now I'm gonna make three lines. The first line period will be 6 and the color I'm gonna make blue. So apply. The next one period will be 14 and color will be yellow. Apply and moving average period will be 26 and color red. Okay, so on the screen, guys, you see three lines. The red line is the moving average of the trend. So we are waiting actually for the intersection of the blue and yellow line. Let me show you. Here is on the platform good example. We see here intersection and here intersection. So if the intersection is about the red line is the moving average of the trend. This is a good moment to buy put option. Put option is red bottom. And the another moment when we see the intersection of these two lines of the blue and yellow line is below, is under the red line, that is good moment to buy call option. Call option is green bottom. So move on. And right now I'm gonna make my first investment. It will be $100. So I'm waiting actually for when two lines will cross each other. Okay. So $100 I've just made put option because you see that the blue line and yellow line crossed each other and their intersection is about the red line. So everything is quite clear right now. Okay. That is good. Right now I see that everything is good. So we will have successful profit. Okay, profit 178. I guess that for beginning this is very good. And move on. The next deal will be $150. Okay, so right now we see that the yellow line and blue line are getting closer to each other and they are below the red line. So here is the intersection and I've just made my investment. It is put option, but I want to say that if you see that, for example, three lines are parallel to each other. Actually, when three lines are parallel to each other, it means that the market is slipping. But you have to understand the location of these two lines. If these lines are above the red line, you have to be ready. You have to know which option you will buy. So if two lines are above the red line, you have to be ready to buy put option. If these two lines are below the moving average, you have to be ready to buy call option. So there is my steps, my advices, which I want to tell you. Come on, fall down. 6 seconds. Come on, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, 150. Okay, let it be again 150, so move on. So you see these two lines, and okay. If you don't want to miss my next video, I advise you to click on the bell sign bottom and don't forget to click next to subscribe to sign bottom. And you if you don't want to miss any notifications. Okay, profit 268. Oh my gosh, I'm the lucky one for today. Good, really good. So the next investment will be $200. Why not? So more practice you have, more successful profit you will get. I want to say that before working on a real account, you have to practice, you have to watch the video and to read the information about the binary options and what. And all the links are under the video, so don't be lazy, click on them, read the information, because that is important for you if you want to be a successful trader. I mean that one. Okay, I'm talking too much and that's why I've missed my the intersection. I want to say that if you miss, sometimes it happens, a good moment to buy the options, there is not a problem. You may wait for the another one. You don't need to hurry up. So relax, take it easy, take a deep breath, and enjoy your work on binary option. And that's all. So you see the intersection is about the moving average. I've made my investment. Good, really good. So our profit $358, and right now I'm just gonna make the next investment 150. Sometimes I will play with them. So right now we see that three lines are parallel to each other. It means that the market just a little bit leaving, but we have to decide which option we need to buy. So I see that soon we can see that will be intersection below the red line. So I'm ready to buy call option. Okay, $150. Call option. If you, I don't know, if you don't understand something, if you have any questions that you have, ask me, let them on comments. I always try to explain you everything in the other videos, so I'm waiting actually for your comments, guys. I need to know your actually what you think, what you don't understand, everything that you want to tell me. Okay, right now we got unsuccessful trades, so it happens. Each trader has to know it that sometimes we have unsuccessful trade. So the only thing that we have to make, um, remember that we can withdraw it. So the next deal will be bigger than the previous one. So I'm gonna make it $350 will be my next investment. And I'm waiting for the time. Okay, 350. I'm gonna change on $700. So be careful when you have this moment, because you need to catch a really good moment to get it successfully. Okay guys, profit $1,253. And what I have to say, actually, that is my favorite strategy. It calls the rainbow strategy. So if you like it, put your likes. And I'm waiting actually for your opinion. All the links are under the video. And see ya on the next time. Always miss you.